Hey, this is Phil with Bit49. Today we're going to show you how to unbox and plug in your rig. Step 1 is to take your rig out of the box. You can do this with any old box cutter. Just be sure not to cut in too deeply. Once you're in the rig, you'll notice it's snugly packed. We do this so that there is no assembly required. You'll simply remove and set aside the packaging, which you may want to keep. You'll also set aside your cables. You should find a couple of couplers. You'll put those on a couple of corners, and you'll find 2 more couplers, put those on the other 2 corners. This makes your rig stackable. Once you've done that, you're free to remove your rig from the box by gently tugging on the top of the frame, lifting it in a continuous motion, and putting it on the table. Once it's on the table, we'll be going to step 2 and remove the packaging. You'll want to gently pull the foam out from in between these GPUs by applying a little bit of pressure to push the GPUs apart. We recommend this so that the foam slides comfortably out without damaging any of the transistors. Next, you'll remove the foam back from behind the power supplies. You'll notice there are also some Velcro straps and zip ties, but you don't have to remove those. Step 3, we're going to plug in cables and peripherals. Plug in the power supply cables. It might be best to apply a little bit of pressure on the back of the power supplies as you do so that those cables are all the way in. Next, you'll plug in your HDMI cable from your monitor, your 2 USB cables from your mouse and keyboard, and the Ethernet cable. Finally, you'll turn on both of your power supplies, flip the switch on both of your power supplies at the same time, and that should start up your rig. You may also want to put a table fan or a box fan behind your rig to keep it well ventilated.